Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 110. The system cannot open the device or file specified. Error open failed on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. It will take few minutes. So wait till 100% verification complete, and after that don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is, again, right click on start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, look for any device driver having yellow color exclamation mark, means faulty device driver. If you found any such type of device driver, expand it and right click on it and choose update driver. So update your faulty driver having yellow color exclamation mark. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty drivers. Update your device drivers and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here, under available control panel list, scroll down and click on programs and files features. Here you will find all your program installed in your system. Look for any app having which you are facing error. Simply select it and choose uninstall it. And after that, reinstall this app a fresh version. So if any app having error, you can uninstall and reinstall it. The next one is, right click on start button and choose settings, and here choose Windows Update and click on check for updates. And if any operating system update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of system error code appeared. So you must update your OS as well as driver updates. Close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Under available services list, scroll down and you will find background intelligent transfer service. Simply apply a double click on it to open its properties, or otherwise right click on it and choose start. If you already found it in start mode, then restart it. Start or restart background intelligent transfer service. And after that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to startup type section and set it as automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. Your system error code 110 definitely be resolved. That's all.